Yo, Neutral Fam here. We're back at it here with another video, guys. Before we get into the video, guys, make sure to go follow me on my Instagram at gingerpaisa. Also, go follow my friend Joksan1999 on his Instagram. Also, follow me on TikTok at cyberx.2 for content about public interviews and more. But enough blabbering, let's get right into the video.
Zombie apocalypse.
Okay, guys, so the SSD I'm gonna pull is the black right here. You can see right here. Here it is, guys. We got the W black right here, 2 terabyte. You can zoom in on it, my boy. Let me know if I gotta get closer. Oh yeah. Look at that. So basically what this has is 2 terabytes and it's for the PS5 specifically, because not all SSDs are for PS5s. Gotta let you know with that. So basically you gotta cop the 4th generation for the SSD. But enough blabbering, let's put this inside the PS5 and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay guys, so we got our PS5 right here. So let me just add one thing. The only thing I did not like about the PS5, it only comes with 500 gigabytes, which is not cool at all. And the Xbox Series X came with 1 terabyte. So I didn't like that about the PS5 because they just make us pay extra for a freaking SSD. And that's all, the only thing I want to put out there. But enough blabbering, let's get right into the video. So first things first, we gotta take this off. So we gotta put pressure down and then pull it to the left. Like that. Off. Perfectly. There we go, we take the cover off. And what we see right here, we need a 40 millimeter screwdriver right here. I'm gonna show you guys real quick right here. It has to be a flat head too. No, not flat head, one of these heads with the plus sign. There we go. That's the size you need. Okay, so I'm just gonna unscrew this little part right here, guys. Here's where the SSD is gonna go. Let's do it. Taking this out real quick. Perfect. Okay. Right there. And then we have like a little washer right here that's already, like, you know, stuck here. So basically what this is gonna do is gonna hold the SSD down so it doesn't flip flop all over the place. Take this out real quick. There's the washer. Okay. It's literally just a little screw and a washer. I'm about to show you guys what it is. Here you guys go. It's basically a little screw and a little washer. So you guys can see. Look at that. Little screw and washer. So this is gonna hold the SSD in place, basically. This screw and washer. Okay. Put this on the side now. And let's open our 2 terabyte WD black SSD. And this is a really good brand too, by the way. My friend got it. So let's get it out. Here's our SSD, guys, as you can see. Looks phenomenal. It has heatsink too. And remember this part. You need a 4th generation SSD. Because I went to Best Buy the other day, they gave me the wrong one, and that wasn't cool. But yes, remember, 4th generation SSD for the PS5, because these graphics are phenomenal. Alright guys, so first things first, we got a little spot right here where you can click inside. I'm going to turn the PS5 real quick. So we got this little thing right here where it goes inside, so all we got to do is clip it in there, honestly. So it's like a little clip, and it's going to end up something like this, okay? Put it in there. And be careful putting this because you could break it, so just be careful with me, I'm not gonna lie. He's gonna do a little click sound too. That's really, don't want to break it. See, alright. So see how it ends up like this? How it's up like that? So that's the way we're gonna use the washer so it brings it back down. Alright, so we grab our washer, go like this, put this down like that, put the washer right here, put the washer in place. guys. Come on, go there, my friend. Man, you know what? I'm just putting the screw, make it easier like this. Not gonna lie. Ooh, okay, with the washer. Alright. Just like that. Making it harder for myself. Perfect, right there. Alright, guys. So all I do is grab my screw. Where have my screw at? My screw phone. My screw go. Let me put it in the PS5 in a second. Oh, yeah, it's right here. Perfect. Okay, guys. So all we gotta do, oh, keep back up. Do the same thing. Like this. Alright, guys. So I'm just gonna screw it back in. And there's different sizes too, so you gotta put it in the same size. You'll see it right away though, what size it goes to. There we go. And you don't gotta screw it in that crazy, just a little bit. Perfect, right there, guys. And this is how you put in your SSD. Just like that. It's in there now and everything. Perfect. We just close this up. So what this does right here, it keeps it at a cool temperature so this doesn't get too hot. So that's why they have this right here. Oh yeah, let's put it back. Put this. Grab this, baby. Grab my screwdriver. Put it back. Ooh. Right there, perfect. Okay. Right there. And all we gotta do is put this cover back on, and now let's go turn on the PS5. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, so we're on the PS5 HDMI cord right now. Only thing we gotta do now is just turn on the PS5.
How does it look?
Perfect. Just turn on the PS5, my boy. Turn it on.
Are you recording already?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Alright, good.
Alright guys, so this is the moment of truth. It's powering on. Okay. It's reading the SSD. Alright. A second, let me see what it says. Hold up. It's blurry. There we go.
Formatted, right?
Formatting. We're just formatting the SSD now. The read speed, okay. Now the SSD is in, that's it. It read the SSD, so that means it's fine. Thanks for watching this video, guys. We put a 2TB SSD inside the PS5, you already know. But little thing they could have done is put a terabyte at least, not 500 gigabytes, because that is not enough for any games on the PS5, bro. Or the PS4, not even gonna lie. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to follow me on my socials at gingerpaisa. Also go follow my friend Joksan 1999 on Instagram, and follow my CyberX family channel on TikTok for public interviews, guys. Hope you guys have a beautiful night. Go CyberX family.